Mr. Speaker, we are all aware today. Mr. Speaker, we are aware PDP is one, and there is no division in PDP. But Mr. Speaker, because we believe in the rule of law, this matter shall be taken to court. And I hope these honorable members will be ready to come and defend themselves. But we are not going to allow it to lie down. We are going to take it to court, and both of them must vacate their seat because the judiciary is just, and we believe the judiciary shall do justice to us. Mr. Speaker, I so observe
is that division in a political party is a question of facts and no question of law. And facts will vary according to circumstances of the case. The circumstances that may lead to Zephaniah or Tejas defection may not be the same in the case of the other case that you referred us to. So we'll now allow the judiciary to do their work, examine the situation, and tell us whether there was division or not, and then we can enforce their decision, please. So let's not belabor this issue. That's my ruling.